Hey guys, welcome back to math. I hope you guys did a really good job on your math test yesterday. And I hope that the review really helped you guys. Today we are starting a new chapter. We are starting chapter 13. And it is subtraction. Kind of like what we did last chapter, but instead of adding, we're going to be subtracting. Okay? So the first day, it's going to be kind of simple. We're just going to introduce subtracting using tens and ones, okay? I'm going to show you the way that the book wants me to show you guys for today, and then I'll also show you some other tricks later on. But you guys are going to be on page 215 in your math binders, and it should look like this. Okay. Cross out to subtract. Complete the subtraction problem. All right, so what does that mean? Number one, 36 minus 3. So how many do we have here? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 36, right? I got 36, and I have 36 drawn. Out of this 36, they want me to take away 3. So I take away 3, right? Remember, these are 10, so I can't take away those because then I'd be taking away 10. But I'm just taking away 3. So 1, 2, 3. Cross off. 1, 2, 3. Taking those 3 away. Now, how many do I have left? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. I don't count those because I crossed them off, right? I took them away. I subtracted them. And I'm just left with 33. So before I crossed those off, I had 36. And then I took 3 away, crossed them off. Then I recounted with the ones that aren't crossed off. And I have 33, right? Okay, good. Easy. Let's try number 2. 45. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So right here, I have 45 drawn. Now I'm taking away 10. So do I take away 10 from here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I only have 5 here, so I can't take away 10 because I only have 5. But remember, 10 is just one of these. One of these equal 10, right? So I'm just going to take one of those away. Cross it off, and I took away 10. Now how many do I have left? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I have 35 left. I had 45, then I took away 10, I crossed out a 10 bar, then I recounted, and I have 35 now, right? Okay, I want you guys to try number 3 on your own. You have 34 drawn, then you're gonna take away 12, so cross out 12 here. Remember, these equal 10, and these equal 1. So you're gonna cross out 12, and then recount and write your answer. That's what you guys are going to do for number 3. You're going to do it on your own. Okay, number 4 and 5. Same concept, a little more tricky, but we got this. Okay. It's the same thing, it's just written differently. It's written with the boxes. Okay, we're subtracting. We have 54 and we have 3. 54 minus 3. So how many do I have here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. I have 54, right? My top number is 54, and I have 54 drawn. Out of this picture, out of this 54, I am taking away 3, okay? So where do I subtract? Right here. I go to my ones, right? Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm taking 3 away from my ones cubes. I have 54, which is my top number, drawn, and I'm subtracting 3. So I'm going to cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, remember, my blues are my 10s and my reds are my 1s, right? Because this blue box equals 10 and this red box equals 1, just like this. 10 and 1. So, in my ones column, I took away 3. Crossed off 3. Now, how many ones boxes do I have left? I just have one left, right? I cross out 3 red boxes. How many more red boxes do I have left? I just have 1, so I'm just going to write 1. I took away 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. And how many ones am I left with? 1. Now, we're going to move back to the tens. How many tens am I subtracting? None. So how many tens am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm left with 5 tens boxes because I'm subtracting nothing from 5, right? Okay, kind of confusing. I know. Let's try number 5. 45 minus 20. So here I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. I have 45, which is my top number. Okay, on my ones column, just look at my ones, and you look at the bottom number. How many ones am I subtracting? 0, right? It says 0, so I'm not going to cross out any ones. So I'm just going to write what I already have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 ones because I didn't take any away. Now moving over to the tens. How many, you look at the bottom number, how many tens am I taking away? 2. Cross out 2 tens boxes. And how many tens boxes do I have left? How many blue tens boxes do I have left? I crossed out 2, so how many do I have left? 1, 2, right? And that's it. So what I did was, you have your top number drawn, 45. Then you go over here to your ones and you look at the bottom number. We know we have 45. How many ones am I taking away? 0. Then come over here. How many tens boxes am I taking away? 2. Cross out 1, 2. How many tens boxes do I have left? 2. How many ones boxes do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, that's how you do 4 and 5. I know it's a little confusing, but we're going to get the hang of it. Number 6, we're going to write a problem, a subtraction problem, okay? So first, in order to get our top number, we have to see how many we had before anything was crossed off, right? Because the top number is what we have before we start crossing things off. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. I had 76. And then I started crossing off. So how many ones boxes did I cross off? 1, 2, 3, 4. You see 4 X's. And I crossed off 4. So how many do I have left? 1, 2, right? I had 6 in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I have 4, so I had 6. Then I have 4 with an X through them. 4. And then I have 2 left. And I started out with 7 tens boxes. And then how many did I cross out? 1, 2, 3. 3. And how many do I have left that don't have an X through them? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I had 7 in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I crossed out 3, right? 1, 2, 3. And then how many do I have left that haven't been crossed out? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So my answer is 42. Okay. I know this was a lot for the chapter introduction, but I hope you could follow along. You guys are just going to do number 3 on your own. I did the rest with you, so I hope that helped. And we're going to talk more about this tomorrow.